Hello everyone, my name is Shashank and I'm studying in Ravensbourne University. Today I am here to explain about the project I have done in sustainable project management, and the topic is digital process mapping for sustainable packing and innovation. And here is my presentation, and coming to the first slide of the presentation, it tells us about the introduction and project overview. And the first point it tells is welcome to EcoPack solution process mapping presentation showing a complete workflow of developing a biodegradable smart packing system. Integration points and interactions between various stakeholders have been emphasized in the life cycle management of the whole project. The process of mapping despite how to use of the digital project management tools can support sustainable practices and while also promoting efficient deliveries. Stakeholders engagement process lead to joint decision making and open communications with project periods. Mainly, our strategy illustrates the use of cutting-edge technology and sustainable methods to have an overall management of environmental. And coming to the second slide of the project, and it tells us about project objectives and sustainability goals. The main goals entail working on biodegradable packing that takes less than 90 days to distinguish and incorporate Internet of Things sensor to track. Our broader ideas are to frame applications with 50 local agriculture suppliers and attain 5% market share. The sustainability object includes zero landed file and 50% reduction in carbon emissions as opposed to traditional packing. The aim of the project is 200 new rural jobs to promote economic growth and welfare of the local community. We initiate closed loop recycling in all waste streams production process so that we can have a full implementation on the ecosystem. And coming to the third point, it's a digital project management tool selections. The Microsoft project professionals is used as a major digital project management system integrated with a sustainability dashboard pro to monitor. Stakeholder engagement platform allows developing decisions in a joint manner and facilitate feedback and communication integration in real time during project stages. The suite of integrated tools also facilitates the overall process mapping that includes sustainability integration point as well as monitoring the performance. They are also able to produce automated reporting, resource optimization, and sustainability performance monitoring across the whole project execution and monitoring through the use of tools. And the core process of map overview is the entire process map covers five fundamental stages, including research development, supply chain development, manufacturing setup, market launch. Every stage integrates checks of sustainability, points of engagement and with the stakeholders, and integrations of digital tools into the management. Process flow despite the series and parallel tasks that include the decision gateway that verify the fulfillment of the sustainability requirement of advancing critical path analysis. They remain some of the activities that are influenced by sustainability, the implementation of overall project and strategy, resourcing over project implementation. Agile continuous improvements facilities are something that never optimizing and adjusting the performance data and stakeholders. So coming to the sixth slide, detailed process flow with decision points. Five such criteria decision gateways are as follows: material selections, approval, biodegradability verification, and through environmental impact assessments. Partner approval of supplies guarantees ESG compliance, and manufacturing process approval also certifies that the zero wastage goals are being met. Market readiness approval authenticates the metrics of sustainability performance prior to launch, and continue improvement approval authorizes authorizes activities aiming at optimization. At every point of decision, there is relevant stakeholder groups set criteria to be followed and escalation method of complex decisions. And coming to the next slide, it tells us about stakeholder roles and responsibilities. Agriculture suppliers are involved in the provision of raw material and sustainability skills coupled with promoting the local economic growth and prosperity. Here is the picture. You can see it. Manufacturing partners take responsibilities to guarantee that the presentations process continues at an effective, proficient pace and in environmental sustainable way so that there is quality and operational efficiency. The regulatory body gives us approval and compliance support that guarantees compliance with safety standards and environmental protection requirements. Community representatives have an assurance of alignment of the social impact as they promote the interest of the localities and sustainable development principles. Market feedback and sustainability validation to promote product development and continuous improvement activities are given by the customer partners. And the next one is critical touch points and information exchange. Raw material quality assessment facilities collaboration between suppliers and the research development teams, ensuring material performance standards. Sustainability impact evaluation involves a community representative and environmental specialist, ensuring comprehensive social and environmental assessment. Manufacturing process optimization connects production team with efficiency experts supporting continuous improvement and resource optimization. Market performance analysis links customer feedback with product development, supporting the design and customer satisfaction enhancement. Sustain and the next slide tells us about sustainability integration points and digital enhancement. The LAC software is used to select materials and ESG assessment platforms are adopted during the evaluation of suppliers as to access sustainability comprehensively. Sensors and energy management system make it possible to monitor the functioning of the manufacturing and optimize the level of performance in real time. The carbon footprint is reduced through distribution optimization with route planning software and tracking and end of life is done through blockchain technology. The automated data gathering process and performance tracking in real time helps sustainability management by using digital tools. And the technical specifications and compliance features this slide tells us about. Digital platforms are presented with the help of Microsoft Project Professional, Visual Projectional, Customer Stakeholder Dashboard, and live tracking KPI systems. The process mapping consists of 45 elaborate activities that are in 5 phases, 5 decision gateway, and well-defined approval process. Responsibilities and defined with the help of 5 stakeholders webinars, where 6 significant touch points help to exchange the required information and materials. The form of parallel processes facilitate running research and supply chain development in tandem in order to facilitate efficient project time schedule. And the summary and the optimate outcomes are for this project is an elaborate process map illustrating a high degree of smart integration of the concepts of sustainable project management and the capacities of advanced digital the stakeholder engagement mechanics and are the mechanisms of inclusive decision making and sustainable integration points to guarantee environmental and social responsibility. Performance monitoring and accountability. It has the digital augmentation of blockchain and automated monitoring systems that enable transparent performance tracking. And coming to the next slide, it tells us about a sustainable governance structure. So here is the structure of the governance sustainable structure for form, and it tells us about formation of the sustainability advisory board to perform objective oversight of ESG. Monetary rewards to execute leadership performance associated with the environmental and the social performance accomplishment. Instruments to manage risk encompass environmental, social, and governance aspects in planning such risk. Transparency was provided through disclosure of reporting and audits and the stakeholder feedback. And the next slide is sustainability metrics and KPIs. The environmental KPIs include monitoring of emissions reductions, diversions of wastewater efficiency and energy consumption. Social indicator track the employment of the rural population, the development of the local supplies, and the investment to the community. Here is the KPI dashboard with a numerical value example. Indicators of governance are body diversity, completion of training, and audit performance. And here is the life cycle integration, life cycle analysis, which means LCA, cradle to grave evolution, covering raw material source to end of life disposal. Measure climate impact, ozone depletion, acidification, and resource consumption. Social life cycle analysis accesses labor conditions, community benefits, and social impacts. Economic analysis covers cost implications and value distributions across stages. And these are few references